Late at night when you realize you're on your own, and all the feelings inside you, they start to grow. Please tell me that it's alright, alright, alright. I wanna know. Please tell me that it's alright, alright, alright. I wanna know. Please tell me, 'cause everybody's got something, something they can't hide. Let it out into the open, right here, right now. 'Cause everybody's got something, something they can't hide. Let it out into the open, right here, right now. When you turn off the light and you're all alone, colors and shapes and the shadows gone. Please tell me that it's alright, 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 alright. Tell me that it's alright, alright, I wanna know. Please tell me that, 'cause everybody's got something, something they can't hide. Let it out into the open, right here, right now. 'Cause everybody's got something, something they can't hide. Let it out into the open, right here, right now. Everybody's gotta let go. 'Cause everybody's gotta let go. Cause everybody's got something, something they can't hide. Let it out into the open, right here, right now. Cause everybody's gotta let go. Cause everybody's gotta let go. Cause everybody's gotta let go.
Dan versus Phil. Round two.
Party, we can do what we want. It's our party, we can say what we want. It's our party, we can love what we want. We can kiss who we want. We can live how we want. It's our party, we can do what we want. It's our party, we can say what we want. It's our party, we can love what we want. We can kiss who we want. We can live how we want.
Red cups and sweaty bodies everywhere. Hands in the air like we don't care. 'Cause we came to have so much fun now. That somebody here might get some now. If you're not ready to go home, can I get a hell no? 'Cause we gonna go all night till we see the sunlight. Alright. So la-da-dee-da-dee, we like to
we can do what we want to. It's our house, we can love who we want to. It's our song, we can sing if we want to. It's my mouth, I can say what I want to. Say yeah.
Miley Cyrus, We Can't Stop.
The winner is
Tiger Uppercut! Hadouken!
Okay, so for anyone that missed it, Dan versus Phil just happened, and Human Balloon Animals won, and we had a competition to see who could stick the most balloons onto the other person.
You hear them?
This is incredibly inconvenient, Phil.
I feel like I'm Lady Gaga in a weird outfit, or I've got some kind of colourful disease.
You do look like Lady Gaga, or like you have happy tumours. Okay, so I think it's safe to say I was terrified during the midst of that because I felt like popping could happen, and you managed to stick one to my face. Can I just say that removing every single one of these balloons from my arms and face is going to be a different form of torture for a few seconds, so thanks.
So I think... Who's won?
I think I got 7 and you got over 10. So Phil, this week, you are the Fan Wars winner.
Yes.
Are you proud?
Hang on. Does that mean that you have to wear these for the rest of the show?
I have to keep these on for the rest of the show. Yeah, that's happening.
Yes.
Okay, so that's amazing. That just happened. If you subscribe to the Radio 1 YouTube channel, you'll probably get a video of that as Phil pops in the background. Do not go anywhere, though, as the most exciting thing about our show, our live lounge performance, or is it online lounge, because it's mine and Phil's show, from Watsky will be happening right after this. It is Paramore.
Paramore?
Paramore.
Where are you, Paramore?
There.
Oh, there.